Hold on. This is monkey mischief, but I can't touch the ground starting now. I'll have to try and get Billy and get to that onto that little slide without touching the ground. And I do have car monkey. I added car monkey for this. That doesn't count as ground because the ground's down there. Okay, we can touch this because this is not ground. But how are we gonna get to trees? Luckily, I can climb with car monkey. Billy's over. No. Billy. Let's go. We're climbing. Now this can be great. Let's go. No, no, no. Let's go! Alright, all we need is Billy. There he is. Alright. I got Billy. Alright, I got Billy. Now I have to get up there. No. What do you mean? No! No! My controller!